Hi everyone, welcome to Cinnamon Hakuraa in the Maldives. Today I'm going to show you inside this platinum beach bungalow, which is just to the right of me there. This is on the adults only platinum island here, and as you can see the rest of the resort curls around there. That's just some of the water bungalows. Amazing blue lagoons, super white beach here, palm trees, the whole deal. So I'm going to take you inside now and we're going to have a closer look. So as you follow me in, you'll see each of these beach bungalows has a nice pair of sun lounges here. Also there's a day bed here, which I really like. These are actually really comfortable and relaxing and like easy to use. Over here there's two armchairs as well and a table to enjoy some of your all-inclusive drinks. So this is an all-inclusive island. There's different packages of the all-inclusive, but yeah, you have drinks in your room, you have all-inclusive throughout the resorts and all of the restaurants and bars. So let's go in now and have a look. So as you come in, you'll see there's been a welcome champagne and fruit basket there, fruit plate put down to welcome us, which is really nice. Big airy rooms here. So the ceilings, or the roofs I should say, are made of like a canvas, almost tent material that stretches out. Gives a really nice architectural design to the whole bungalow. Here is of course a nice big double bed in the middle of the room. There's various seating options which you've walked past. There's a window on that side, and also to the left of you there's a mirror which reflects that window back into the room, which is quite cool, quite a nice effect, and a TV in that corner. So as we come past the telephone and the other amenities, in here are your wardrobes and safe deposit boxes. This area here is sort of an office area. There's a table here, like a desk, espresso machine, kettle, tea and coffee making facilities, water, crisps, and also your mini bar is in there. So there's a fridge in there, obviously a chair, and this I really like is the Bose speaker. It's like a sound dock or sort of sound speaker, so it's a Bluetooth. Now we come into the bathroom. So here we are, I'm in the middle of the main bit of the bathroom with two basins behind me and two mirrors as well. So there's a whole load of nice toiletries here that come, and there's flannels there, glasses and everything like that. So now I'm going to take you into the toilet and just show you this. The toilet's a nice space as well. It's got this indoor-outdoor sort of feel to it. You've got a wooden little seat there, like almost act as a window. And as we come back out, if you just back through here, I'll whip round here. And this is the shower room, which I love because it's the floor-to-ceiling white tiles, very minimal, as is the rest of the bungalow. Clean and kind of sort of grey white tiles on the floor as well. And I like these little toiletries that are all in stone, almost, it might even be concrete, little tubs there. So we'll head back out now, and we're going to go around this way past the front door, which is out there. I'm just going to finish out on the sun deck so you get one last look at this room. Really good size. And here is the view that you would be enjoying. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the tour there. We're Cinnamon Hakuraa, and this is the adults only platinum island here, and that's the platinum beach bungalow that we had a look inside.